Hello everyone, this is after the week's video of my review of the NovaOS for the Galaxy J7WH. This custom ROM, the way I left from you guys, oh my god, is it charging? It was around 31% to be honest, now it's 21. It's charging, okay. The thing was that after I left with my last video, it was really hard for me to use this custom ROM, and suggesting to you guys is like I don't know, I don't want to suggest to anyone actually. It's like not good. Just a simple English, it's not good at all. You see, it gets hanged with the edge panel. Sometimes when you're doing works, you need that. So let me turn it off just to show you guys with that. If you guys haven't seen the keyboard, this is how the keyboard looks. It's the same thing, it's nothing different. Okay, I'm gonna turn the edge panel off. That's how I had it for the whole week. I kept my design simple, and it's the same settings and everything just like before. I didn't change much. Also over here, oh my god, really, this is what happens with the you see the beacon manager. I don't know what is beacon manager. Oh my god, it just keeps on crashing on me, and it was really hard for me to use it for the whole 1 week that I said I'm gonna review it for you guys. But it's impossible reviewing for a day, to be honest. After using the first day, it was really hard because I had to use a lot of camera. My device, I had to use a lot of camera, but I couldn't use it because it wouldn't just work. It would just get crashed in between. Within the second day, I had to open my WhatsApp alongside my few other documents. It doesn't work properly over there. It hangs, and the multi-window is just a garbage. Yeah, it's just a garbage, to be honest. It hangs a lot, it lags a lot, that's what I mean. So I tried to survive with this but it is impossible to survive with this because it hangs a lot. I chose the performance mode whole the time. I never turn on power saving. The battery doesn't even last for like how much, 2 hours or maybe 3 hours. It just like because it crashes every time it restarts, right? While it restarts, the battery just drains 10%. I don't get it why. Maybe there's some issue with the software, I guess, but yes. Another thing is that okay, I can't show the feature. Okay, I cannot show you the screen on time, is it? I can't show the screen on time. Okay, so this custom ROM, in just a simple word, I know this video is very short, but it's useless. I suggest not to install this until the stable version releases of this, and I suggest you guys to download LineageOS, which is way quicker, and it has a stock ROM feature or whatever. It's way better, to be honest. Wait, let me just try. Okay, it's way better than this, and it's way quicker. It has a better software, better feature, or like everything. I suggest you guys to check out my other video. It will be here in the iCard, otherwise in the end screen you guys can check it out, and you can also see the review of that, and then you can install that one if you want to. And this one, it's just the Galaxy J7 custom ROM alongside the Android 7 logo. That's one advantage, that's it. I don't see any other advantage alongside the launcher or few extra features here and there, and most of the features doesn't even work. That's why I suggest it's better if we stay back in the stock ROM. And so yeah, that's my simple review, to be honest guys. It's really hectic. I cannot use this custom ROM at all. Within half of the week, within the second or third day, when I had the issue with my WhatsApp and YouTube, I just went back to my stock ROM. And I will show you guys how to go back to your stock ROM again. I returned back to this one through my restore file and all of that. I'm going to uninstall this ROM. That's what I mean. It's not worth the time I've spent on it, and I don't suggest anyone trying this custom ROM. So yes, let me just open the power script. Oh my god. Okay, so to go to the recovery, if you guys don't know, it's just power button, volume up, and home button. Select these three. Okay, you hear the vibration, and now select these three, push it harder, and why doesn't it work? Yeah, so now you get this. This is just an issue from my last because I didn't yet format it using Audin. That's why I have that issue. Okay, so whatever. After that, what I can do is select restore and select my file that I restored last time. And in my last video, if you guys haven't seen that, just check it out. Of that, this customer, how to install it and just restore it. My suggestion is that it's okay if you can live with a life that is like live with a customer that is full of bugs or like issues. If you have no issue with that, then I suggest you guys download it because it's completely feature packed. Like so many features are there if you can use them properly, if you can download the fixed files and force all of them into this. And the file is 1 GB, that's more, and I feel like the system is way packed for me. I cannot use it. It's like they're like so much loaded with features. I don't need so many features. I need it to be very smooth, and that's what LineageOS provides me with, and that's why I suggest you guys download the LineageOS rather than downloading this one. And about the LineageOS 15 and 16.1, you cannot download them in Galaxy J7 WOH because they're still not out for the Galaxy J7. So we have to wait until any of the developers that are developing it for us. Till then, we have LineageOS 14.1, which is Android 7 based, and yes, that's the best one in my, to be honest, that's what I believe. So yeah, I'll just restore it, and that's it. I will go back to the stock ROM and I can just use it normally. I mostly have the Nova launcher over there so that it feels like a stock ROM and it's way quicker. But I'm using stock at the moment so that I can so that the RAM is way more free, so that it can be way more fluent. So yeah, and maybe someone even tried installing it, which was totally useless. You should have waited for my review, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I really didn't enjoy anything about this ROM. Okay, as you can see, the CPU is really hot here. It went around 70 centigrade, but when I used to use my, yeah, you see 71, when I used to use the ROM, right, the custom ROM, it used to reach up to 80 centigrade, and that was the time my CPU, the processor couldn't handle it and used to what you call a reboot. And this reboot was a huge issue. I'm a student, I need my files to be working like normal, you know. I hope you understand what I mean. So yeah, this used to cause a lot of issues for me, and so I had to go back to the stock ROM. And yes, yeah, that's the temperature info, because last time I felt very hot over here, but I couldn't tell the temperature. I used to tell it is 50 centigrade, but it was more than 50. It was around 72, or sometime it reached 80. Okay, we have just restored it, and we can now reboot our system, and I will be exact to the same position that I left my device with while I backed up, or while I installed the custom ROM last time. As you guys can see here, that it just began, guys. So it's rebooting, or like it's booting again. Till then, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, just drop a like or just subscribe to my channel. During the end screen, you guys can see the how to install the ROM if you want to install it. Otherwise, check out the other ROM, which is the LineageOS, and the review will also be here, and also to subscribe to my channel somewhere over here. Also in the iCards, I'll keep them there. Till then, let it restart. You guys can also check out my few other videos. I also uploaded few music lyrics video where I showed off my editing skills. If you guys enjoy watching edits, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed the editing videos that I have uploaded, let me know. My channel is quite based on technology, vlogs, edits, and complete randomness. I just upload whatever I want. So yeah, oh yeah, I'm back to the stock ROM again. Okay, I'm back here again. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, drop a like, subscribe to my channel. Dislike, then leave a comment down below why, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace out. Bye bye.